Hello, welcome you to my YouTube channel. My channel's name is Forex Trading Journal. This is the first uh, video. Okay, there's a well-known English saying, I don't know what I should do, but I know what I should not do. Cherries Monger also once said something very similar. You don't have to be smart than others. You just need to avoid making mistakes. In my opinion, this is a principle applies perfectly to exchange, foreign exchange trading. Today, I'm not here to argue about which strategy is the best or which method makes the most money. Instead, I want to talk about something far more important: what you should never do as a trader. Because in this market, avoid make make the mistake about a mistake is the foundation for long-term survival. And that is the real purpose of this video. First of all, never trade without a trading system. One of the biggest mistakes a beginner make is trade purely on intuition. Ironically, this approach sometimes works at the beginning, and that really that earliest success is exactly what make make it dangerous. Traders start to believe they have a special talent. They start to believe trading is a random game, and slowly discipline disappears. I went through this phase myself. When I first started trading, I had a long win streak. Colleagues thought I was gifted. In reality, it was mostly lucky. The market doesn't care about our feelings or confidence. Trading based on intuition gives luck too far much influence. Yes, you can sometimes feel certain price movement from market volatility, but that only works for short-term or ultra short-term trade and avoid only at the levels are not sustainable. Transaction costs are always here. The cost of making 100 papers is the same as the making 10. Over time, cost will destroy disciplined short-term trading. Second, why medium, long or long-term trading is matter? Another problem with intuition is that unstable because your emotions, your physical conditions, your recent wins or losses, all of these distort your judgment. That's why I believe in taking a long-term view. Short-term traders are not forbidden. Smaller wins can add up, but discipline is absolutely critical. A short-term trader must never be allowed to turn into the uncontrolled long-term position. That makes mistakes has destroyed countless accounts. Most short-term traders are entered in the middle of the price move. When they will go long, losses escalate very quickly. Medium and long-term trading are different. They are usually into the near market extreme. Even if the trade move against you, losses tends to be limited, while the profit potential is much larger. That's why the biggest profit is trading usually comes from median or long-term position. Second, systems, tools, and indicators are very important. Every trader needs a system. Your personality matter. Your geographic location matters. Markets in Asia, Europe, and North America behave differently, totally differently. Building a personal trading system is a long process. It requires constant backtesting, adjustment, and refinement. Most traders use MT4 or M5 platforms today. The building indicators are more than sufficient, and addition tools can be added easily. Some traders reject indicators completely and trade only with a candlestick, what they call the naked charts. I don't fully agree with that view. First of all, candlestick themselves are a form of indicate, and they are not always enough. Think about this. If you're working 30 kilometers, it's exhausting. But you're riding a bike and in the same distance feel very easily. The bike doesn't provide power, just a tool, but makes the journey far more efficient. Technical indicators work the same way. They are tools that sufficiently increase your profitable of success. Last one. Over the year, I have developed and refined complete trading systems through real market experience. I will be sharing real account result with full uh, trans- transparency. Profits and losses include, and the weekly summaries every Sunday. If you are serious about the trading and interested in the learning more, feel free to leave comments. You can contact me privately at Forex ca at gmail forexclubca at gmail.com. Thank you for your watching. I will see you the next video. Thank you.